Hi, my name is Daniel from Artintech. I'm going to be showing you how to create a supplier invoice for ProSupPacks. From dashboard, simply head to Procurement, Supplier Invoice, and at the top right-hand corner here, you can see a plus sign. Press this so you can add your new supplier invoice. Select your supplier, input your invoice number, select your due date, and a reminder date for prior. Now you can use these options here if you want to select paid to show that the invoice has been paid or not, or you can also choose a file if you need to import a invoice. Select save and simply come here where you have created it, select it, and you can edit if needed from here. You can edit if you need to pay. You can edit the file as well if you need to add anything else. The reason we use supplier invoices is to track our payments with the supplier. As you can see here, we can also delete the attachment if needed, or we can also download it.